Guys, welcome back to another episode of Get Glassy with Chifo. So it's still your girl again, Blessing. Welcome back to this channel where we're passionate about your skin. We talk about your skin wellness, how to obtain a glassy skin, and how to maintain a healthy skin, right? So in today's video I'll be talking about a product which you must have seen on the caption. So I'll be reviewing this product. I'll tell you what the product does to your skin, how to use it to get the best result from it, and the pros and cons of this product, and also be looking at viewers review, and you can also drop your review if you have used it, or your comment in the comment section after watching the video. You tell us your opinion. So guys, which product are we looking at in today's video? It is no other than the Glow Secret Cream, right? So this product has 3 variants. I'll be talking about the 3 variants in this video briefly. Yes, I'm supposed to talk about each variant, right, in different videos, but I just feel let me just put everything here, but I'll just be talking about them briefly, so I'll not be going in details, right? So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, this is the best time to click on the subscription button, turn on the notification bell, so when next I upload video, you'll be the very first to be notified. So guys, I upload videos every week on this channel, and all I talk about is how you can get the best of skin. I'm not an esthetician, and I don't have affiliation with any brand. I come here to talk about it's just based on my research and then my passion for your skin. So Glow Secrets, let's dive into it. So the very first one I'll be talking about, guys, is the Glow Secret Carrot Whitening Body Milk, right? This one here is 500 ml bottle. It has the active ingredients to be carrot oil, argan oil, and vitamin C. This is for people who are just ebony skin, chocolate skin, or you're trying to maintain your skin tone, or you're just looking for something to brighten you, like not just whiten you, but just to brighten and maintain your skin tone and give you this kind of, you know, light shade. You're not just white shade, but you just want something to just give you this glowing look. Yes, that is for those are the people that should go for this one. Now if you know that your skin is very sensitive, or your skin doesn't tolerate carrot oil, don't go near this, because I know carrot oil sometimes can react negatively to some people's skin, right? Like it can cause you white patches, it can cause you dark knuckles, it can cause you stretch mark. Yes, carrot oil can react and give you stretch mark if your body is very, very sensitive. So guys, if you know you are prone to all this, or your skin cannot tolerate carrot oil, then don't buy this one. That is why I said it's for people who already their skin is tough. Somebody who is ebony is hard for that kind of skin to be very sensitive, because it has melanin to withstand anything that comes with it. I think people that should be using more of carrot oil products are people who have ebony skin, dark skin, chocolate skin, or you know that your skin has your skin elasticity is still intact and you don't have any issue in terms of your skin barrier. Those are people that should patronize things with carrot oil. So basically the first one is for people who have tough, dry skin, because it is very thick and hydrating. So if you know your skin is dry skin, or you have combination skin, you can use it, or you are dark or ebony. But if your skin is sensitive, or you have just recovered from a skin damage, or you've used a particular cream that has damaged your skin and you are recovering from it, please don't go near this, because it might trigger it because of the carrot oil in it. And like I said, it is 500 ml bottle. So let's move to the second strongest. The second strongest is this one, the Glow Secret 24K Gold 3x skin polishing. So this one claims, you know, to give you up to 3x skin polishing, which means it can take your skin from 0 to 3 in terms of skin tone. So if you are already light skin, it can take you to average towards white skin, but not half cast. So what is the active ingredient in this one? The active ingredient in this one is the caviar drip and glutathione. So this one has the caviar drip, I think up to 10,000 cc or so, and then it has the glutathione as the main active ingredient. This also has SPF 60. I just love the fact that they all have SPF 60, but that doesn't SPF 50, sorry, but that doesn't mean you should not add additional sunscreen when you, because product like this with this kind of strong active, you still need to, you know, use additional protection or sun cover. So this one is for people who have sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, I know glutathione doesn't really react for people with sensitive skin, so it can work. If you have combination skin, it can also work for you. If you also have dry skin, fine. Now it's also for people who are light skin already and they are looking to take their skin to the next shade. Yes, you can use this. Guys, if you're already dark skin or you're already dark, don't just go and jump into this kind of product because it might not tone you evenly. So it's always good to start with the least that would, you know, gradually fade your skin. If you notice it did not give you reaction, you are not breaking out, you're not seeing any visible reaction, then you move to the next strongest, which is this one. So this one, guys, I know would clear dark knuckles. This one would also clear uneven skin tone. So maybe your skin is, you're light, but you notice it's not even. Some parts are dark, some parts are light. You can go for this, and it's also a good base for you that love to pro mix. I don't like pro mixing, guys, but if you must, then I would say you should pair it with something light. Don't go for something harsh. Yes, you can go for a very good oil. I've talked about oils on my channel. You can see the good oil I talked about. You can go for Vaseline oil. There are good oils that you can use. You can just check my video. I'll be leaving the link in the description box for you to see the kind of oil you can use to combine this. That's if you're a fan of oil. But if you're not a fan of oil, you can just go for good moisturizers. Like I love combining product like this with moisturizer, like Dove, like St. Ives, you know. You can also use Palmer cocoa butter. Those are good, you know, good moisturizer that when you combine with this kind of products, you get the best result. You know why you need to combine them? Because these products are too harsh. You need something that is formulated with beautiful ink. This is also formulated with beautiful ingredient. Don't get me wrong, but it's just that the ingredient are a bit harsh. So you need something that is mild to, you know, weaken the strength, and also because those ones are there to restore your skin barrier. If this one is trying to strip off, this is trying to build back. So there will be a balance, you know, there'll be a balance on both ends, and you're not losing out on anything. Because most of these whitening products, guys, they dry your skin out, they thin out your skin. So if you're just thinning out your skin all the time and you're not getting something to replenish it, then there's a problem. That's why it's always good, you know, to get beautiful moisturizer to pair with your lightening product. So now moving to the last one, which is this is the Gold Secret Halfcast Ultimate Skin Whitening, right? The ultimate whitening, rather, not skin whitening, the ultimate whitening. Now this one is black bottle, is also 500 ml. It also have SPF 50. The main ingredient, guys, is avocado oil, glutathione. It has collagen and kojic acid. I just love this one because the active ingredient that was used to formulate it, guys, is just beautiful. Imagine avocado oil. Avocado oil is like an anti-inflammatory oil. It helps to, you know, heal your skin. It suits the skin. It also helps to, you know, restore collagen balance in your skin. It has collagen itself, so I love this one. Collagen is there to help with your skin barrier. It has kojic acid, so if you're breaking out, or you're having hyperpigmentation, or you have any eczema and all those skin concerns you're looking to, you know, exfoliate and get rid of, kojic acid will do the job. And then lastly, it has glutathione, right? Glutathione, which is a good whitening ingredient. So this is the ultimate whitening, and really is the ultimate whitening because it has beautiful ingredients. So who are those that should go for this, guys? People who just want to get a good shade. Funny enough, the gold is more lightening than this. So this one, although it's half cast, but it doesn't work like the gold. This one is more like a treatment. And if you're trying to just have a maintained beautiful skin tone, like you're looking at this kind of golden yellowish skin tone, not white now, you're looking at a golden yellowish skin tone, that is what this one will do for you. And it's also, you can use it on your face. That's why the manufacturer said this one is for face and body, because it has treatment ingredient like the kojic acid, the avocado oil, the collagen. If you are breaking out, it will help. So you can use this one for both face and body to, you know, help all this. This one will also clear dark marks, it will clear dark patches. You have knuckles, it will help it. You have stretch marks, it will help it. You're trying to, you know, you just finished the product that maybe your skin barrier is damaged, the collagen is here to restore it. But in all these, guys, don't just pick this product and start using them. Do a patch test to see if it will work for you. And then if you notice any negative effect, please don't be greedy to, you know, continue using it. Discard it. In my last video, I talked about 10 habits that you might be doing wrong and your product is not work for you. I think if you have not watched that video, you should watch it before watching this, because I really talked extensively about some little things that we might be doing and we don't know that is hindering us from getting the best result from our cream or our skincare product generally. So guys, you need to use your sunscreen, and then don't use this kind of a product every day. If you must use it maybe 3-4 times a week. Then use your normal moisturizer every other day. Then you also need to stay away from the sun as much as possible, except you really need to go into the sun. If you must go in, wear protective covering. You can hold your umbrella, put on your sunshade, wear long sleeves. Sometimes I wear socks in the afternoon if I'm going out. Just, I don't just want this sun to damage your skin. And this product will help you have this glassy look, all of them, because they are skin brightening ingredients and they brighten effectively. They are safe. They won't really give you any kind of, reaction, except you go ahead and start mixing them with things that you don't know, and then you now spoil the formulation and you might have a bad result. And if you try to be using them over and over every day for a long period, it is also not advisable. For this kind of a product, you use them like 3 months, you stop for 1 month, pick it up again like that. You need to be giving your body cream holiday, let your skin rest and let it breathe. Now, another thing you need to also do for this kind of a cream is that you need to get a good shower gel or good scrub. You can't be using product like this and you are not scrubbing your skin to remove all those dead skin that are just on your skin, and this cream will not penetrate, and then you are getting an undesired result. You'll be complaining. You need to be scrubbing your skin at least once a week, or have a shower gel so that one is exfoliating shower gel particularly, so that it's exfoliating all those skin that are just hanging, those dead tissue that are just hanging around on your skin, so it will clear them and this cream will be able to penetrate. And then lastly, you also need to be hydrated. Now, most of these products, they tend to dry your skin out. They take out moisture because they are more of acids, and if you're not hydrating your skin internally and externally, then you're doing yourself a big disservice, right? Now, this is because you need to stay hydrated. Is that you're drinking water all the time, or you're getting fruits that are rich in water, or you get a good moisturizer that is water based and hydrates to combine with this. Because if your skin is dry and you're still getting a product that will dry it more, you will end up breaking out or having some skin issues that you might not like. So I always say, if you want to do skincare, it's not about the external only. You also need to take care of the internal, and one of them is by drinking water all the time, staying hydrated, eating fruits, good food. You need to also maintain it from inward to the outward, so it's called inside out. You have to also take good food that will make your skin healthy. Get fruits that are good that are very rich in vitamin A, in vitamin C, in vitamin E, which is collagen, in vitamin D as well. So you just need to get to love all these fruits and buy them. And if they're too expensive, you can go for the supplements and use them to take care of the inward the inward part, right? You need to take care of your skin. It's not about just cream, but you need to also ingest something that will help build your skin tissue. So very important, you need to also build your skin tissue. It's not about just depleting it with the cream. You need to take something to build them up. Now guys, this is where I'll be drawing the curtain in today's video. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment if you have used any of this product. Let us know, how was the experience for you. Did it work? Did it give you any issue? Let us know so that other people will learn on this channel. This channel is a family where we try to talk about all these things for other people to learn. So if you want me to also review any product that you just want me to talk about, please drop the name of the product in the comment section. I'll do well to research it and come and talk about it. So until I come your way next time, still your girl Chifu. Bye for now.